Montague in Barragumaba is a teaching place, initiation place for our young boys to become men. In the Dreamtime story of Gulaga, the mountain had the two sons, Najanuga and Baranguba, and this is the eldest son. She let the eldest son go 8 kilometres out to sea and stay when he wanted to go away from the mother. She wouldn't let the little fella go. He had to stay at the foot of her because he was too small to go, see? Brings in a lot for us, has a big part in our lives, this place here at Montague Island. So, you know, it's very important to us.
"20,000 years ago, during the last ice age, this island was part of the mainland. As the ice melted over thousands of years, the seas rose, cutting the island off from the rest of the mainland. Now, Montague Island stands as a huge rock outcrop rising out of the sea off the coast of Narooma in southern New South Wales. This island is one of the jewels of the Eurobodalla coast, the strip which extends from Bateman's Bay in the north to Narooma in the south. It's an area of great beauty and surprising diversity. Montague Island itself covers an area of 82 hectares, 2 rocky mounds separated by a saddle in the middle. For more than 100 years, its lighthouse has been a beacon of safety for coastal shipping. Now it's a nature reserve, a very protected place, run by the New South Wales National Parks and Wildlife Service. It's easy to see why it needs to be protected. Montague has the world's second largest colony of little penguins, and colonies of Australian fur seals and New Zealand fur seals live along its rocky shores. It is, in fact, one of Australia's most vibrant animal and bird sanctuaries. More than 90 species of birds nest on Montague. They come here every year to breed and to rest before they embark on the long journey home. For some, that's as far away as Siberia.